You guys remember this one? I'll give you a hint. Bam! Right through the gills. How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be making some hong sao yu, otherwise known as braised fish. So we're going to start by giving it a rinse. Make sure you get all the slime off, especially if it's from the store. I've already pre-gut and scaled this before I froze it, so it's pretty much clean. Make sure you pull out all the gills because those are usually the dirtiest part, especially if you're going to be cooking the whole fish. Blot both sides dry with a paper towel prior to pan frying. So here are the sauces for today. Rice wine, which is super important for fish, light soy sauce and black vinegar, and then some sort of hot sauce. They don't have to be spicy, but on the left I have the famous Lao Gan Ma, and over here Hunan La Jiao Jiang. They're both two different types of bean paste or hot sauce pastes. And last but not least, sesame oil. And unlike hong sao, any other stuff like pork, wu hua rou, we're not going to be using dark soy sauce. So here we're letting the fish pan fry, here to sizzle. We're going to let it fry on both sides for about 3 to 4 minutes each. So now that it's done frying, you're going to want to start adding the ginger and then the rice wine. So add it while it sizzles and then add enough to make a little soup at the bottom. Let that simmer for 3 minutes. Now we're going to add the soy sauce, black vinegar, less than the soy sauce, and some of the hot bean paste and other hot sauce. Lastly, I'm going to add some garlic. About 3 minutes later, it should look like this. And then now I'm going to take a little spoon and spoon up some of the sauce and just baste the fish. Baste it all over, and make sure you get a lot of sauce on the top because the bottom has been soaking, but the top doesn't get much. And also it's a good opportunity to wash off some of the sauce that you put on the top back into the bottom. So you see the sauce is reducing. I'm adding some water now to add some more volume to it. And then just mix it around so it becomes uniform again. Here I'm tasting it. If you notice it's a little bit too sour, you can add some more water, and in this case I'm adding just a pinch of sugar. Only a little bit. More basting. And a final taste. It's probably good, so let's cover it and simmer for a few more minutes. Alright, so just want to give a quick taste test because recently I've been having a little bit trouble with the tilapia that I caught in the Nueces River. They tasted kind of muddy, so I just want to try this before I bring this somewhere. Just so you guys know, the shoulder right above the head is the best part. Okay, that's in my opinion the best part. The shoulder. The worst part is the belly. I don't know why people even like that. It's really oily and fatty. Maybe that's why, but it tastes muddy and fishy on a tilapia especially. So I don't really recommend that part. But I will sneak a piece of the underside just to make sure it doesn't taste like mud. Okay, a tiny piece. It's so good. Oh my god. That is so good, you guys. Hope you guys like this. Thank you guys for watching. This is Hong Sao Yu. Okay, this is my dad's secret recipe, and he's a pretty good cook. I don't think he's that good anymore. I think I'm better, but I learned this dish from him, and it's really good. Okay, he's happy every time I make it too. So there you go. Try this out. The braised fish, Hong Sao Yu. It's pretty easy in my opinion. Takes about 30 minutes. Yeah, it makes tilapia good. Okay, so some people just think tilapia is like a trash fish, but it's not. It's actually really tasty. It's probably the best fish to make this dish with because my dad uses it all the time. Maybe it's because it's the cheapest one, but he uses it every time he makes this fish, and it comes out really good. And so every time I have tilapia, I try to make this as well. So this is good, you guys. Hope you guys have a good time trying to cook it and enjoy eating it. So see you guys next time. Oh yeah, if the fish is muddy, don't blame me. Okay, it's not the method, it's the fish.